Most people think becoming wealthy means never spending money. But the truth is, the wealthy actually spend money very intentionally. There are certain things that rich people will spend money on all day long because they know those purchases actually make them richer over time. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 things that you should absolutely spend money on if you want to become wealthy. And number 4 is the one most people completely ignore, even though it can change your life. So the first one is spend money on education. The first thing you should spend money on is education. And listen, I'm not talking about traditional school. I'm talking about books, courses, seminars, coaching, learning new skills. And the reason is simple. Your income grows when your knowledge grows. Every wealthy person I know invests heavily in learning. A $20 book can teach you something that makes you thousands of dollars later. A course might teach you how to start a business, invest in real estate, improve your marketing, grow your income. Poor people see education as an expense. Wealthy people see it as an investment. Second thing to spend money on is spend money on time with family and experiences. This one might surprise people. You should spend money on vacations and time with your family. Why? Because life is short. Money is a tool, it's not the purpose of life. Some of the most successful people in the world prioritize experiences because they understand something important. You can always make more money, but you cannot make more time. Taking a vacation with your kids, spending time with your spouse, creating memories with your family, those are the things you'll actually remember. And ironically, stepping away sometimes helps you come back more focused and productive. Third thing you should spend money on is investments. Your money should be working just as hard as you are. Some of the most common wealth building investments include real estate, stocks, index funds, retirement accounts. The goal is simple. Instead of trading time for money forever, you start building assets that generate income. For example, rental properties produce cash flow. Stocks grow in value over time. Retirement accounts compound over decades. Wealthy people focus on owning assets because assets are what eventually create financial freedom. Number 4, spend money to grow your business. If you own a business, this is a big one. You should spend money on the things that grow your business. That might include, marketing, equipment, hiring help, software, training. Too many business owners stay stuck because they're afraid to invest back into their business. But the reality is, sometimes spending $1,000 can help you make $10,000 later. Businesses grow when you reinvest into them. The goal is not just to make money, the goal is to build systems that create more money. And last but not least, number 5, spend money to eliminate bad debt. The final thing you should spend money on is paying off bad debt. Now, not all debt is bad. Debt used to buy income producing assets can actually help you build wealth. But things like credit card debt, high interest loans, consumer debt, those things drain your financial future. If you're paying 20% interest on a credit card, that's money that could have been going toward investing or building a business, saving for the future. Wealth builders focus on getting rid of bad debt as quickly as possible so their money can start working for them instead of against them. So, if you want to build real wealth, don't just focus on saving money. Focus on spending it wisely. Spend money on education, time with family and experiences, investments, growing your business, and eliminating that bad debt. When you do this, your money starts becoming a tool that builds your future instead of holding you back. If you're trying to build wealth and create financial freedom, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I talk about money, investing, and building wealth for the next generation. And if you want to know the 5 financial mistakes that keep people broke, check out the next video on the screen.